Hi guys, today I will do the SAT practice 1 and I only do the math part, so please follow me. And also I will provide some formulas and what you need to remember when it comes to that type of question. So let's go. And today we will do the practice 1. You guys can find this on Bluebook and you can also practice by yourself, okay? So now let's go. So the first question is 55 and which frequency table correctly represent the data listed. So you see now you see there are number 4, so the first one, number 4, frequency 4, so A is 2, and then number 8 is 3 number 8, so you see the second round is a 8 frequency 3, so it's also 2, and the third is 13, which appears 2, so number 13 frequency 2 is also correct, so A is correct. But if you want to make sure, we can also look at letter B. The number 4 frequency 4 is 2, but it's a number 8, not number 3, so letter B is wrong. So now we conclude that the correct answer is 8. So now we will see the correct answer. 8 is A. Next, this was kind of easy, so I will do it quickly, okay? Now you see 8 is minus 4 and it's plus 10, so it will be is square and then minus 14, so it's not same as the question, so number A is not correct. So move to number B. Letter B is x minus 5 and then x plus A, so x square and then plus 3x and then minus 40, so is it B? You see it's the same as the question, so the correct answer is B. Yeah, you see. Next, yeah, it's a word problem, but I think it's not that hard. Try work speed. Okay, when you see the total of, it's kinda like the right side, you see it's a 14, and then we should consider the left side. So 3 miles per hour, and the letter is the W represent for the work, and R represent for run. So we have 3W plus 5 run and then equal 14, so the correct answer is A. Yeah, you see. Next, in triangle ABC, B is 52 and C 17, so they ask how about angle A, so that one is easy because try to remember that one triangle had the total degree is 180, so we just like take 180, we minus 17 and we minus 52, so correct answer is 111. D. Correct. The gap slope. try to remember that the slope is usually the rate, I mean the ratio that it change. So where now you should consider for answers. The first answer A is about the rate. So you see it's the similar that what I just mentioned. So maybe the letter A, yeah, we put it here. And then B, phi is not like it's just like the y-intercept or something like that. It's not the slope, okay? And the maximum is not, because you see the slope, it means the rate of change. So we can make sure that the correct answer is A. Yeah. This is the probability. So selecting a red tile, you see the total red is 30, and the total of the total is 100 tiles. So we take 30 and then we divide it by 100, and then we have 3/10. Yeah, right. From population of okay, so we have 50,000. So it's a 35% will spot the legislation, but the matching of error is 3%. So we have 35 minus 3, so we have 32, and then yeah, and 35 we plus 3, we have 38. So now we will find the number of people, 50,000, 30% of 50,000. So it's a 16,000, and then 50,000, we find 38% of 50,000. This is 19. So you see, you consider for answers, we only see C that will qualify for the condition. So the correct answer is C. Right. This one is easy. You can use your calculator, or you also can calculate by your hand. 55 is plus 6 equal x, and then 55 equal x squared plus 6s, and then you can use your calculator. And you need to read the question carefully, because they ask about the positive solution. So we have two solutions, 5 and minus 11, so we choose 5. Okay, an airplane is from do you see the constant rate? It means the slope. Okay, and it's like from 9,500 to 5,000, so it means it decreased. So we only consider A and B, and remember we have slope and then like B or y-intercept. So it's either linear equation. So the correct answer is B. Yeah. If you wanna find the y-intercept, we just replace x equals 0. So 11 times 1/12, and then factor of 0, and this one equal 1, and then the result is 11. So we choose A. The length was so we have the circumferences is 144 pi diameter to the length. This is the difficult one, so the length of P as twice the length of PQ. Now we will do it together, okay? We will have, now we let SB equal A equal RQ, and then SR equal BQ equal 2A, and then A. Okay, and we have 2A plus 2A plus A plus A equal 144 pi, and then we will find A. We take 144, we divide by 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 6. So we have A equal 24 pi, so, but they ask about QR. It mean like QR here. It is 2A, so 2A equal 48 pi. So the correct answer is B. That one is easy, like you only need to remember the formula of the area of rectangle. So it's A times B equal area. Okay, so the length is x, and then width is s minus 15, and we have an area of 76. So we find x squared minus 15x minus 76 equals 0, and then we use our calculator. We have x equal 19. Right, B. The same. So you see, when the time is 0, it means t equals 0. The total amount is 604. So when you consider for choices, you see when you replace t equals 0, the n have to equal 604. So now consider A. When t equals 0, we will have like 1. So A is wrong, and B when t equals 0, n equals 1 also, so B is wrong. But C when t equals 0, n equals 604, so C is the correct answer. We don't need to calculate at all. Intersection, like you will put y equal x plus 20 and y equal ax. So we will put two equation equal x plus 20 equal 8x, we have 7x equal 20. This is like the linear equation, so we will have one solution. The correct answer is B. One student one. So they ask that how many more points is a red token worth than a green token. It means you will calculate the difference between green and red. So you see like 5, 3 and 45 are. So we just take 45, we minus 5 and then 40. Yeah, the difference between two types is 40. Like the same, when t equals 0, there are like initial is 44,000. So we will delete answer A and B. We only consider C and D, and we will find another information. It said that double every day, so it have to be 2. You see the letter D is the factor must be 2.